Hello everyone, greeting from Caret IT. I am Dia and I will show you how to achieve a hassle-free pharmaceutical wholesale distribution process with ERP software. Meet Alex, a pharmaceutical distributor who manages a diligent warehouse that distributes medication and medical equipment to hospitals, clinics, and pharmacies across the country. Like many in the industry, Alex faces several challenges including managing inventory level, traceability with expiry, fulfilling order, tracking with barcode, billing, deliveries, and ensuring compliances with regulation. With so many moving parts and manual work handling, managing the distribution and supply chain can be overwhelming, leaving Alex feeling stressed and overworked. To make matter worse, Alex received an email from a customer requesting a large order of medication to be delivered within a 24 hours. But with the right ERP system, Alex can manage his warehouse distribution and supply chain more efficiently and effectively. And here, Alex found on Pharma Distributor ERP by Caret IT Solution, which is a cloud-based ERP solution that is easy to use and accessible from anywhere and any devices. Now, the ERP system provides real-time inventory tracking, allowing Alex to manage inventory level, set reorder point, view slow-moving product, and ensure that stock is always available. The system also automates the ordering process from receiving order to dispatching product with real-time end-to-end route tracking on Google Map with the help of Odoo barcode module, ensuring that orders are fulfilled accurately and efficiently. Alex now also easily reviews, track, and manage compliances with regulation that are critical in the pharmaceutical industry, such as expiration date and lot numbers, and ensure that products are compliant with industry standard. The ERP system also provides real-time reporting and analytics, giving Alex insight into his business operation and helping him to make informed decisions with several more features and benefits. With the right Odoo ERP implementation partner, managing a pharmaceutical distribution business can be made less stressful and more efficient. Empower your enterprise toward digitalization with us. Book a free demo today and join the digital revolution. Thank you for watching our video.